Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today we're looking at Superloop, specifically their website at https://www.superloop.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of connectivity solutions, ranging from broadband internet and NBN plans to business-grade fiber and managed services. Navigating the site, you'll find clearly defined sections for individuals and businesses, allowing you to quickly hone in on the services relevant to you. Residential customers can explore various internet packages, comparing speeds, data allowances, and pricing to find the best fit for their needs. Superloop emphasizes its commitment to reliable and fast connections, highlighting features like low latency and consistent performance. For businesses, Superloop presents a wider range of options, including dedicated internet access, cloud connectivity, and managed network services. They showcase their expertise in providing scalable and secure solutions for organizations of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises. The website also provides resources such as network performance updates and support documentation. One aspect that stands out is the emphasis on transparency, with clear pricing and contract information readily available. Superloop's online presence effectively communicates their focus on providing robust and dependable connectivity solutions for both residential and commercial customers. They've done a good job of presenting a complex range of services in a user-friendly and accessible way. Whether you're a gamer seeking a lag-free online experience or a business requiring a mission-critical connection, Superloop's website offers a valuable starting point for exploring their offerings. The site features several case studies and testimonials, providing further insights into the company's capabilities and customer satisfaction. Additionally, the website highlights Superloop's geographical reach, showcasing their presence in key markets and emphasizing their commitment to expanding their network infrastructure. They clearly aim to be a major player in the telecommunications industry, and their website reflects this ambition. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a new internet provider. Let me know in the comments what you think of Superloop and their services.